Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Hope RBI. In this particular lecture, I'm going to talk about some of the important sources which you need to refer to for the preparation of costing section for the SEBI Grade A examination 2022. You know, costing holds a really big chunk of your syllabus and it is very important for you to understand every concept of costing. So that is why I'm referring you some of the very easy and important sources for this particular section. But before that, I am going to tell you an important source for the commerce and accountancy section, which I actually forgot to mention in my previous video. I apologize for that. So for the commerce and accountancy section, there is a beautiful source. There is a beautiful playlist from a YouTube channel. The channel's name is CA Naresh Agrawal. And the playlist that you need to refer to is the Introduction to Accounting in this particular channel. You have to refer this because if you're not comfortable with jumping into the sources which I have told you in my previous video, you can start your preparation from the very basics by following this particular channel. This person has explained every concept of commerce and accountancy that is in your syllabus very beautifully, but you only have to remember that you have to stick only to the syllabus because there are a lot of things which are mentioned in this particular channel, in this particular playlist, which you don't need to read or to learn. You only have to stick to the syllabus. So that is it for the commerce and accountancy section. Now our discussion should be regarding the costing, which is very important from the examination point of view. It holds good amount of numericals which can be asked in the examination as well. But the type of numericals asked in the costing portion are comparatively very easy. So you can check out the previous paper. I have uploaded the previous paper on the Telegram channel. Link will be in the description. You will be able to understand that the numericals are not very complicated. These are very basic. If you understand the basics of costing or commerce and accountancy or any of the subject for that matter, you will be able to solve every numerical in the actual examination. So for costings, the first step that you need to do is cram the syllabus as always. The syllabus is huge for costing, and you should be knowing each and everything that you are going to study for this particular section. The second thing is your sources. So for covering the basics portion, you can refer to the very first source, which is very easy again, CA Naresh Agrawal, and the playlist in this YouTube channel is Cost and Management Accounting. But you only need to study about the cost accounting portion. You don't need to study about the management accounting because this is not in your syllabus. And this person has explained every concept very easily in a very basic language. You will be able to understand each and everything. After that, after clearing your concepts, you can move on to the other sources. Again, there is a beautiful playlist known as Cost Accounting by IIT Bombay on YouTube. IIT Bombay. You can check this source out, but remember that this person, according to the standards of IIT, has explained the concepts of cost accounting by doing some of the complicated numericals as well, complicated cost sheets. He has explained various cost sheets in your Excel workbook, and you have to understand the concepts using those workbooks, using those Excel sheets. But you don't have to completely dive into each and every cost sheet mentioned there, because at the end of the day you need to understand that only the basic things, only the understanding of the conceptual knowledge will be enough for you to attempt the numericals that would be asked in the examination. There will not be huge cost sheets in the examination, and you have to solve those cost sheets according to the job costing or batch costing or marginal costing, all of those things. You only need to understand the concepts, and for that you can watch the videos. Only watch the videos of the complicated numericals, but only watch them. Don't do those numericals. It will be of no use. It will be just a mere wastage of time. But you need to but if you need to understand the concepts very well, you can check them out. No issues. The next thing is there is also you also have to stick to the syllabus, because even in this particular cost accounting portion, many of the things explained in this IIT Bombay playlist will be out of syllabus, and it will be of no use for you to know about these concepts which are not in your syllabus. The next source which you need to follow is the same playlist which I've mentioned you for the commerce and accountancy section, which is financial accounting. This is a playlist by IIT Mandi. The professor is Dr. Prem Singh. In this particular playlist, you will be able to find around 3 to 4 topics which are related to your cost accounting syllabus, and this person, Dr. Prem Singh, has explained each and every concept very easily through various numericals, through various examples. So you will be able to understand various concepts through this playlist as well, but only some of the topics which are mentioned in your syllabus and this particular playlist. So the most important source, that is the last source, which is your NCERTs of 11th and 12th. NCERT subject is also accounting, because it is a part of accounting. Costing is also known as cost accounting. So in this particular in these books, you also need to stick to the syllabus of the costing. You will be finding only a few topics in these particular books, and you have to follow those topics and only stick to the easier side of these things. Don't get too much into details of this particular subject. And even if you are not able to understand each and every concept of these books by reading yourself, you can also check out the channel CA Naresh Agrawal again. He has made the playlist of accounting for 11th and accounting for 12th, so that you will be able to understand what is going on in the syllabus of NCERT and what are the important things that you need to know about for these particular subjects. So that is it for the commerce and accountancy section as well as your costing section. If you have any doubts regarding any of this, you can obviously comment down below, and I will be happy to answer all of your queries and all of your doubts. And thank you so much for watching this video. I am really grateful to you for making our family this big. I request you to subscribe to the channel, share this video, share all of the videos, and press the bell icon so that whenever I post the new videos or the new notifications, you will be able to get. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.